What's up guys, Bob Buskirk here at ThinkComputers, and today I'm going to be going over the different illumination modes that you get with Tesoro's Gram Spectrum gaming keyboard. Now the one thing that's cool about our version of the keyboard is that it is white, so our RGB LED backlit illumination is going to look a lot better than the black version. So they do offer white and black. If you're going to get this, I would definitely suggest the white version. So we're going to jump right into it. As you can see, we have that beautiful rainbow, and that is pretty much everybody's favorite illumination effect when it comes to RGB backlit keyboards. But there's a couple other things that you can do with this keyboard, so I'm going to kind of run through them really quickly. So first, we have, and I'll switch it here. You can do it on the software or you can do it in the keyboard, but I prefer to do it in the software. So you have the trigger effect, which means when I hit something, you can see that it kind of lights up the key and disappears, which is pretty cool. So you can go ahead and do that. That is the trigger effect. And we'll go back into lighting effects, and then we have the ripple effect. And this is one of my favorite ones as well. So when you hit a key, it ripples out. And just on all of these different functions and modes, you can change the color. So we could ripple out a different color. I'll show you that actually. So get out of there, and let's see here. We'll change our color to orange, which I think orange and yellow look really good with the white backlighting. So we'll change the color, and you can do obviously the regular color mode there as well. But we'll go back into our effect and we'll make it ripple, and this should. So now we have the different color here as the orange, and it looks pretty awesome. We have Firework, which is another cool one. So we'll go ahead and hit Firework, and as you can see, whenever we press a button, the keys around it illuminate in different colors based on the color you selected, to make it look sort of like a firework, which is pretty cool. And we have radiation, and we'll hit apply on the radiation. And what that does, and as you can see, everything is orange now. So when you change the color, all of your effects go to that color as well. So radiation is much like ripple, but instead of rippling the entire keyboard, it just ripples a single line of keys, as you can see. Ripples right around the key and then the entire single line of keys, and goes all the way down, which is cool. And then we do have our breathing effect, which has been on keyboards for a long time. So you go ahead and you have your breathing effect here, and it is pretty quick. Again, you can change the color to whatever you would like. And then we'll go back to, of course, our rainbow wave, which is everybody's favorite. And you can just see how great the RGB backlighting is on this. Now each key is individually lit. So you also have a mode called Spectrum Color. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to set the color of each individual key, and you can set different modes as well. So you can see that I haven't done the entire keyboard, but we have a few rows here that I've changed the colors and done some stuff with. So you have per key illumination, which means you can pretty much set this up however you want. You can also do different modes in this. So we can actually, let me hit apply on this. We can actually go ahead and do that breathing mode on our keys that we have illuminated. And then we can also do the trigger mode on those as well. So I'll set up it to trigger. So then when I hit it, it's gonna illuminate the color that I want. You can set up per key illumination, again, the entire keyboard. So if you just want the lights on, no effect or anything, we'll go back to that. And you can go ahead and set it up so it does that. So I can have the entire keyboard lit up in the colors that I want. Maybe I want to do a cool design, maybe half of these blue, half red, half white, something like that. You can go ahead and do that. The software is really easy to use. Again, you can switch profiles and do it on the keyboard as well. But it's just a lot of really cool lighting effects. And as always, I'm gonna go back to my favorite one, which is the rainbow wave. And you can see just how beautiful the RGB backlighting is. If you have a chance to get the white version of this keyboard, I would definitely go for it, because the backlighting looks so much better than the black version. So if you have any questions about the backlighting here on Tesoro's Gram Spectrum, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Until next time, catch you guys later.